eya Sompa TV kasafoni so ena wasugua wo hwe no na brekro na nsem ne bebu mfumpa de afa asante mantem kropo mu eya Sompa 93.1 sanso na bono mantem kropo sunyane mu eya Sompa 98.9 bono epo eya mantem enkranza ewanso eya Sompa 90.7 samo wodo ye de baba somo no edoso ne ani mu nsem bi ena edidi suei ene abrewa ayikwan mu ama MPP abato no ekoso na badwa ya wonum hwa abato ho nsem so na busia wonum adansem bi edi ne mpanyimfo bi de anope ye bebe edi akere mu
political science lecturer ewo suapon ewon kran University of Ghana Legon Dr. Abdul Jalilu Atiku was a Canadian bawomio ene ebisi ene
na yewra Kennedy akompre kwa Japan na chita for bi no so enwene won se kire se ne ma bi nhye dan koye ewo EC any prosifo ntama no pay ni nyina mu nsem ye de eba bedan mo
we ena batuo mu lawyer attachia echrem se kia ne ke Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia obedinku nim
wo ensenfo from ebebo era no garu ene ne importem ade hye bi ene won ho akoka nsensem ewo national security for nsem no na hye bedwafo na kasa de afa ho a ene ye bedan ne nyina di ede amamo
ahafo ano Premier Rural Bank wadi mfinhia aduanan empanifo esoso adwene alpha bank you said de be nyoma ebekonkai ede ebensem enwaka ede akere watitafo
efutuo bi akọ ede ama emebu no efa wonu makanche mafo aya mpepi na no wase wadi misikenti makunu wanwa meni ade why ene de afutuo e mansemi ene afoforo bi no mu eka ho ne na nopei ye de ba so mo se anopa no osia brem kase bo na ya kai sensem no ebu mfompa efa Sompa TV Sompa 93.1 kasafidie so Sompa 98.9 ene Sompa 90.7 kranza no said de dancheche e de afa abefo kwantempon fidie no so social media on this link na Facebook Twitter and I say YouTube Sompa TV Ghana kwa ho won sabetimi akayen afabetimi etia for online so www.sompaonline.com and semni nyina so ye krokra de akogo to betia kekan bi na watimi asetie bi e de afa ho anopa ma sonfo benu ohine ire mame ekua yeboa asiama no pa minimi nua bema
o say ya aboaje oforiso
afa yenjibrani adagena ensemni chechemu nyina no yentime emfa emamo ejebo enya bedru enne okropo twede apobasa yi adowode a che na ho meda so ho minwi na chese enkwa eda so kran kwemo no na MPP amanyoko no enne eye wonum eda kese ni nyina da ene se wonum epese wotu frank adema amanyoko na wakoso ekonkoden se be ya tumi akita wonum no obeto akoso a ekremu ewo mfie nan ya se de ne mu biem no enne na delegate prime minister no etimi akoso presidential prime minister no ekoso na etu ahene ne esi ahene fo dodo na no ne manta mahoduo mu nyina no wanom ekwa akoto abade yi sampanyifo enam so ama committee anase bedwako ya wapa wonom ya wo hwa abato we se ho ensem so wonom titirani anase ye ratretrefo William Yamwa wano so de nsem bi ato delegate for nanim se adaroma wonom hwe se ne manyina no ebe kotote de ama wono nemom ehyehyeye fa bambo ho nsem ho ene asumdwe ho nsem de woni prosifo no nko a ena ehwe amana koso nte no enya party security bi asem ni nute no ene ebe nyina gugu akwan ma wono mpaboa wono ma lazy boot na miemia so nte ne bibi ha be koso tote abusia ye kwone yakwa akohwe sede mantam ene esede o masi ahyehyɛ ne ma no esi akodo Sompa TV no so a ye de atoso ewo ho na yesa sede ne ma ebesi akọ ewo headquarters ene mantam ahodo mo no saa ene beko na ne nyina mu no ena campaign ahodo ya nipa nan ye ne wonom ekwa akogina mu asi akan yewra Kennedy akompre ko Japan Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yewra Dr. Akoto Owusu Afriye ene engineer Francis Adenimo wonom edin sembi tudwa won campaign mu yenko na yewra Kennedy die ya wokan ye no yenko tie ebimra.
So we are not, as much as we want peace, we will not allow anybody to intimidate us. Say to about November 4th, Jiraho, Oko Fabrodo, Fensio, Fakok, Neko Jiraho, Neshania Ekoswo. Obia Wayana Desu Benham, not as a Ampakuri party. Media may catch no say. Me pekurie. But the kurie beba. She's a fairness. Fairness and matia, I can't promise them. But when I can't promise them, so fairness and ma, I'll continue to give them showdown. So we are not.
Ebusian for your Kennedy a compre kwa Japan ne campaign B and Sembia waka ye no ene okoti afa ye ko yera Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wono so de dia was say e de trey.
Boy, going to the Supreme Court was very, very important, because if we had not gone to the Supreme Court, if I had not done the work that I did with my colleagues in the Supreme Court, we would not have won the 2016 election. The Supreme Court made us see how the NDC was stealing our votes, and we prevented them from doing that in 2016 and in 2020. So I have done a lot for this party. Today, you all know that last year, polling station executives, when you went for your election, didn't I remember you? Coordinators, when you went, didn't I remember you? The constituency executives, didn't I remember you? So on November 4th, please also remember me. Also remember me. Also remember me on November 4th. Conclude.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Mapenya Bedia show and also Nedia and Yakotia Fe Doctor Akoto every year. One also Nedia Kakraya wa ye wa campaign bremono in Kotiebe.
Politicism is minipa a don't idea politics. It is a war. The Kuimu Nessa will be a dear buffo and I said baby every more. Also, to say Jesus and ne and moi. We have sure more a bontain. My book free more Janina or no coffee bacono, so make a mobile. Sana, the president, MPP, yeah. Until one more amodia before, and I say yow, and I say into my tax, and I say so MPP, the baby Ambrano. 7 minutes. They were good to do Ubianim Bako. And the woman assigned Abakayam. Now, NDC for one to about NDC no sooner. I call more catch almost say, one more near my woman in the M1 my Ghana, and almost make a Toma, yeah, your Horocrano. Sabi and also, now Casa will be a few more, Uncle Debbie, and Yakasa Papa. A day. Unity in Kabomu and I'm a day bar party mo ama yetime breaking it.
Ebusian 4-year-old Francis we say adenimo omunyina de na chi no wono se mikobi manka bi de eye muso nte no ono so ne de ya wose ye yenkotie.
Together let us break the age. Together let us make it happen. Adei pneumonia. Break the age in here. Adei pneumonia. No adei anymore. Long live the media. Long live New Patriotic Party. Long live Ghana. Thank you for your attention and listening to me. Now, Abusafo, Mama me kwa na media makani nyina no. Me mono tofa ewo chi kasem. Dia makani nyina ne se 2024 ye beto aba. Ye be yim na hye bedwafo foforo, ye be yi o mampanyine foforo. ɛno nti abɛdu pɛmpɛnsoɔ bi a Ghanafoɔ no bi koraa na abamu abu ɛma wɔn mo tumi de ahomteɛ ka sɛ 2024 deɛ me deɛ mento aba adenti a ɛyɛ abamubuo nanso deɛ nkranhyɛsɛm a wɔ hɔ ne sɛ ɛnim foforɔ a onyame ahyehyɛ ma yɛn a wɔyɛ David a no ɔwɔ ɛserɛ no so no ɔno na ɔba a wɔde saa nim foforɔ no ba de
Abusia for your engineer Francis Adenimo, ono so ne de ene ekotie ye no yetoa ensem no so.
Obafo ane de ne nam ehwo apaso hwie be ene de obedi kunim ebedi kunim de obedi two enso ebedi kasa dodo ne nyina eto nyina ebetumi atwa ne osuruko kroko amanyoko MPP ene se de wani asia bre ewo Ghana fa na nyina ni polling stations akodo se woto aba na wode yi kandifo flag bearer no omoni abre ye papa anemu ana political science lecturer Dr. Abdul Jalilu Atiku wacha de ewo University of Ghana Legon ne nsem wo kanyina ne se aspirants ahodo enan no nyina da adwobrewo na emom se de abato no ebesi akro no wo mapani abedi ache Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia onfa ne ize kra enwoma mu ebeye dere kakra ama no ama wona wodi ache no ebabo atake ne to anya asabketoa ewo abato mu yeto ene ebewie nyina no ni nyina onfa enwoma ize abra Atiku Jalilu ekasa no sei ene oda ne nsem edi
will be so about establishing the whole within the MPP as Obia Wabua will share 2016 elections, 2022 elections, even 2016 elections. Every baby crano, Baumia, the elections in never be brave, Wakakrano, or overshadow the candidate in Lancaster at the time. Into a year contributing sort or contributing significantly MPP for Ediba Abaimu. Into Obia within the MPP, he has established himself, which means, so we share the two candidates now over here. I still rate the vice president ahead of Kennedy Ajapon.
Okay.
So what I say.
Okay.
So very likely he can. But no, let's say. I mean, elections they be to me see.
No correct.
Elections.
No correct.
Be to me as see Ochina.
No correct.
So what I say. Ajapon you be he's not a pushover candidate.
No correct.
Because we share and yes be ordinary eka say after 2020 elections, say around studies AEB. But one of these things they try to look at some of the party in Pennsylvania or parties. Me say I travel along 3 regions. We call Bono East, Eba, Bono, Eko, Ahafo. And some of the constituencies are very far. Kura ni baby or no onufiri, which means will be his was one person now. Constituencies will be or Bua or because the constituencies be Kurano. No, more or Mamube about 100,000 Ghana cedis also. That's a lot of money. So what I see. So if our footprint in so many areas, now if people are going to vote along that Aida, so he's not a candidate now. I mean, he's not a push. You can just discount.
Political science lecturer at University of Ghana Legon Dr. Abdul Jalilu Atiku wabra wane Sompa ensa twerofo atwetwe komono na asem wa wada na di egira ne se abato no de yakwa akoto na wono de wo hunu se omapania bedi ache Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia obetua hwire di kai nanso so de wota ne to no Canada compre ko Japan the showdown man no ekwanya wode no faso ana gabo de be ma no ano ebeye de papa wabra wane nsam twerofo Sompa atwetwe komono na Jalilu edansem wo nyina di
na ye boremu ewo abato no ensem ni nyina mu biem na wode wani kyerem wapoye mantem a yewura Kennedy akompre ko Japan na chitafo no na wonom so SBB e de akyerem from amforsa da Roma yenam na de ema prosifo ene isifo na sonte se ade bia wonom e de ye wonom mu kwakọ gyinam akwakọ pretumi no e ade a entwe ye ni nyina mu no wo kyerɛ se enema bi wo hɔ a e wo sen campaignfo no efa chitafo ahodo ya wonom edidi yewura Ken yewura Francis Adenimo yewura Mahmoud Bawumia ene yewura koto afri ye chi sebeya wɔn mu nyinaa no abɔ ho sɛsɛm bibia akɔyɛ mu mɛhwɛ senate wɔse bi wɔ hɔ a wɔnom ɛnyɛ no nam so nte no panyin pɛ bi ya wɔno yɛfrɛ no Ernest Kwaku Boaten wɔno ɛyɛ nkitahodie bɔfotene ɛde ma yɛwura Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan ɛwɔ epoye mantemu wɔno ɛne dansɛm wɔ sɛ nyina di ɛde kyerɛ nsɛntwerɛfo abusua yɛtwe bi ɛde go nhoma so
of all the candidates, the stakeholders, because as compared to the region election, the regional commander was very fantastic. Let me take this opportunity to thank him and congrats for the yeoman job he did the last time, that's the 26th of August. He invited all the stakeholders, the party, invited all the agents, not the agents, but all the leaders of the 10 aspirants. The police were there, the electoral. Then we went through the modalities. We went through the guidelines. We agreed on it before we went for the pool. But we haven't seen anything like that. I learned today the president, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, met all the aspirants. They did a wonderful job. So today, listening to Evans Nimako, your sister stations, he said it categorically that what they did, it has been decentralized, that all the constituencies too are meeting the secret and the easy. But we haven't seen anything like that. We have barely 48 hours to go and cast our vote.
Abusiafo nipa yɛte ne nke poye mantamu yɛwura Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan wɔno ɛna yɛ nkita ahodie bɔfotene abɛde akyerɛ yɛwura Ernest ɛna yɛtie no na ɛno akyi no ɛna polling agent for ahodoɔ bi nso a wɔnom so ɛta wɔnom akyi no so ɛto wɔnom to kakra ɛde kyerɛ sɛ anwum ɛda yɛse yɛte ɛde firi ne ra no
tax ahead of us. Very, very poised for the tax ahead of us. So we are just waiting for the 4th November so that we do our work. Simple, simplicity. We have nothing to do. That's what we are. We are just tax ready, prepared for the job. We are making sure Honorable Ken or Hine Japan Akompreku wins this election. Can do anything that we want to do, but with the guidelines, as Kevi said, we are following the guidelines. Nobody will come to the place to come and snap pictures. Nobody have to follow anybody. We are there to just monitor. Nobody is going to fight. It's a family affair, house matter. So it's just a matter of cooperation, that's all.
Probably a year ago. And so far we are happy with the preparations that we have had so far. And I think come 4th November, everybody is going to cast his vote or her vote, and then we believe that we are going to win. That one we have a strong belief because we are the grassroots.
Abusiafo polling agent for bia wonum so wepoye mantemo na chase yɛwura Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan chitafo ni bi ɛna wonum chese abato bedwa no ɛne Ghana police fo no wonum ɛfa wonum ho nhye wonum edwumadi ahodo mu sɛde nneɛma bɛsi akɔ no wonum nyina yɛ abusua kɔmɔ kɔ abato so akɔ akɔkyerɛ adwenya ntɔkwa ɛnya abufuo ɛnya atiate anase na ntwiticha na emo mu hwɛ sɛ pɛpɛpɛ yo ebetimi ayɛ adwuma
Emrashe Bedwani Emma Adesia Ewo Abuakwa South Apoye Mantamu Eastern Region Lawyer Samuel Atachia Wadani Semina Edi say wo hwe abatu ayekwa kokotu ya kianeke Obapani abedi akyire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia obedi kunim na margin anase sɛdeɛ gab no ebesi awano ano bɛ de papa kora kyɛn aba wodi kan ɛto ye no wo kyerem sɛ Omanfo dodo no a na eka so komra hye bedwafie ana ukọ MPP amonyoko enu a omanfo dodo no a na edi Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ekyerem wo kyerem se wono na eye bema ogidi se wo betumi abreki 8 no na wode ama wosukokroko amanyoko no eno ti esafata se wo mo eto aba ede ema no ene na otumi edi ekuo nanim odansem wo nyina di e wo mrahye bedwafie wo abransem trofo ehia no a wode no atwetwe nkomo
ni obi okwa akwansi ono acho ne mara etu de wo ye candidate emra na da hono enam ne kwan pepe ne ka se ne Dr. Bawumia no obenya a me nyu so obenya ara no ni expect ma wo ho ache pa ma ne bonya ma ba to se ene akansie no menya na nso party ni nti ene ne yepese ye 2024 ni nti be de ma ho odi nyina ata Dr. Bawumia chi na ya nyan kabo ye tumi akodi tumi no ye be ato tumi no so be breaking the 8 but ye be asefem no say wenya na afo so me mfire busuanim and na wonye good candidate na wonte amamu ase to be say so be anya I just say probability arithmetic ye be ye biara wo kira na obi nya na ne wanya no on show political maturity na onye den obegina Dr. Bawumia they say ni me ni ami hu say Dr. Bawumia ohia win no we win the down na mo margin the friend fala yen we share constituency for na constituency for say yen fa member Bawumia and then I'm attaching am me member of parliament me fight it grassroots it's not high.
Lawyer Atachia wa yamrashe bedwani madesia ewo Abuakwa South opoye mantamu wase margin no de eyefala ekoma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia nemmom se wudi ntwa na no nkyere se wote ho afri MPP amanyukonim Lawyer Atachia ne dance mu yi edi
Ebusiafo anopa na osia brem kase bo an wanugu so wohwe e Sompa TV kasafonyi so no ensemu etwa na ho e de afa Sompa na 3.1 kasafidie so e wo Asante Mantam Kropomo sa so na bro Mantam Kropomo sunyane e ye Sompa 98.9 e na bro epoye ekroya ye freno enkranza e wan so e ye Sompa 90.7 ye to ensam no so e de amabone abo awremu wonsam fofromo na wotwe ye simu ya no ene ye bone ro edi chamo sa woni chiremu e wo national security for akache ene eye garo tempani adehye ni tituo ne mabru no a wonom tem no e kire ka so ye papa ni nyina ne se national security for e de wonom ensa kokeka garo tempani adehye ni bi ni nyina ne se wo kire sa akode ye tuo ne niema yetimi edi pra obi kunkum amanfo no e bi hihye mabru hu no nti ena won chiremu a wode ba ye no wo kire sa okoto hye won so a na wo kwa akwaje nam so pipe timi si ye now so emebunu ya one more garu e babonte be friends and trefo nhyiamu e kire national security mpanyimfo nsamo a woka no e ya rodo hruada nsamo no kra bababo akrampo nim na asem wei enam so ma ne ya twe apiesi amafo ano e ma ebobo wremu akopiemu e wo mrahye bedwam na no e na ebeto dwa se ye wura wono wode wani e kiremu e wo garu a wo ye mrahye bedwane di ma de hye wo won monyafo Albert Akuka wo kiremu esensem no e kwaso no e wo se etuo etimi twente no national security for ntimi bobon nwura ne mpesua so na de hye omu ntimi fa bridi abrada mebo wonom saa ye kasa ya wode wani kiremu wodom kuma no panyipa abedi ekire ye wura ya wasa eye futu mrahye bedwane monyafo Alex Afenyoma Kina wo kire se enchekra wonom a wonom gu national security for akache nyina no wo behwe amomo asakofie.
Pursuant to the concerns by our colleagues in respect of some excesses that arose as a result of some disturbances in Garu, the Speaker, members expressed diverse views on the matter, which included the need for citizenry to be responsible, not to threaten the lives of our security operatives or those who are sacrificed to protect us as a nation. Again, issues of human rights, which are part of the promises of the Constitution, came to the fore, that under no provocation should a state security agency take the law into its own hands to undermine human rights of the citizenry.
Ebusia for ya Afenyoma Kewano e dom kuma no panyipa abedi ekire ena ye ko ekotie no no na no si ya pe ena panyipa ya wono so wajiji takra wo jem edema e dom kuma me kire minority chief whip brekwa na wo ye adehye ya wono adakru mrahye bedwane onmonyafo Kwame Abuza wono so ede kakra eto aso a ni nyina mu na nsem a wode etu dwa no eni.
Yesterday when our colleague member from Garu made this statement, which was very disturbing, colleagues from both sides expressed their views. And you rightly directed that the minister appear sometime next week to apprise the House. Our colleague, the deputy leader, was around and has taken the opportunity to, even before the minister appears, do some background work, and is apprising the House that there is a decision to expedite action on the release of our compatriots who are being held.
Ewusia for minority chief Yera Kwame Abuza na seda enwode ema Yera afenyoma kensa watu anamon e de afana dehye no wonom so ka wo makokem e wo national security nsem ho a wo chese ni nyina no eye abasobode
Yemo wuram awo sika krobia afam ahafo ano Premier Rural Bank odi fishia aduanan na fishia aduanan na che no obie won krobata ebako awabu kwa atwoma nwamyaja mansrim asante mantem ha na ene wota ninsam adi ewo dwumadie wo yase ewo mfia duana wadie no na womo akeka no ase se ebi ho behia se aban no ababoa na nyoma akonkai ede ama ahafo ano Premier Rural Bank na ne strategies a wode ebegu akwam na omanfo ebetumi ede sika beto ho na wateso emfaso no ni nyina ene woda na di ewo dwumadie no ase no na eno akirei ena panipa wono ena eda ahafoano Premier Rural Bank no asante mantema odemonyamfo Kofi Uso edetu edwase se wohwe se de banki asi anyini ya na womanfo adi on sika to ho se de beya obetumi ateso emfaso no o pasema ka kire nyame na wo ka kire mframenti no adawuroma abanhwe na taxes ahodo a wode ato bank ne so no obepagya na se de beya wona wode on sika beto ho nyina don ebetumi ateso emfaso na dwumadie no ase no asem tripo a wode ebie 40th anniversary no and say we grow with you na che say wone won customers nyina ebetumi anyini na wonyini dia na wonyini ewo sika fam anoti aban enhwe na to a wode atoto bank ne so no Rural Bank so no onhwe na wonte so Kofi Usu anodisem
bebia yibi Rural Bank bebia ewo ni grass intino ye chase no na o hwe omahomodin eni nyumo ye na omo BBC akra na fu na hye na aise eka na ba ntiba o gana ma Rural Bank tax holiday se omo fa no build a strong balance sheet nti ekwa ni mu kakra no ba o gana chase se obeti tax Rural Bank for this I say 8% na eye eno no boa na etimi corporate social corporate responsibility because say Rural Bank there maybe a wono so unyiska na say e so ba o ti aban there man dia can be input
Pania wono ena ahafo ano Premier Rural Bank odano asante mantema Mr. Kofi Usu ena wote ne kano Chief Executive Officer Emma ahafo ano Premier Rural Bank Mr. NS Dankwa enso adinsem eto Sompa Central for enim se o how anya bena bank no enemu no aginyamia enti no said the bank no enhye mu esitie no ono de wo hwe send customers nyina ebetumi ediye
aban de oye de sese oye any challenge say de bia ebetumi anya sika de be ye you go in customers who you pay deposit so mo agent to na money ye say asuma that dia yes customers relations are no premium fear dia na ni wo hwemoda ise be ya o meheso akoso ene ye aye adwuma
Wabra CEO and Chief Executive Officer Emma Banki Ekasawie NS Dankwa ewie ye no mikobi mankambi nana asawu abebiu ohina wowo kunsu enso ekasa kakra
yemesa ni se ene boroso no moneti omunkunya yesuminkunya omata ni na se de amani sitie ene amamlesi sa ene wodi ko banima e balaso etie onoroma ede da to monaso moantimia na enyamia na wogidi e wa FM sese de na me ma ba ne ya ba bi ku se sitie die ohene wadaroma obeso
eni awuti ye eye ohin popra wo kunsu nana asawu abebiu
afe ye kwasu nyone kropono emu na panyi bia wono waye asetremu enchechre tini ni mitre marriage counselor so esa eyade a wono edi ho dwuma wasa eye life coach ne di ankasa edi Reverend Dr. Esther Amankwa wade afutuo akwa magana de hye ne wiase manyina sa da Roma sɛ woboa wo bi sɛ wo ne no ɛtena ɛwɔ mpnatwe kwan so na wobɔ ne ho ka na ekɔ wie akyire wɔ se wɔn wade wa ɛyɛ ano wada wo nyankopɔn ase bia wɔ yebusuefo adacho obetete wabrabɔ na nka sɛ wabɔ ne ho ka wagya wo ntino wo kwa akokum no wɔ se ɛnɛ wotu ani ɛhwɛ Ghana ha sɛ nom titiri a ɛyɛ ade asade no ɛkɔ so a wɔ se ɛyɛ amamoyɔ de ya ɛbra so sɛ mpanyinfo bɛhwɛ na wɔnom akasa ensɛm wɔ se ama ɛtuo atwa wada ne nsɛm wɔ se nyina di ɛde kyerɛ yenuanom a wɔnom ɛwɔ Sompa 98.9 ɛwɔ Sunyane wabra na nkɔmɔtwetwe bi ɛkɔ so yɛnkɔ na Reverend Dr. Esther Abankwa nsɛm ne yɛnkɔ tie bi mra
ne ko school no nyina ne da because si unia mam ono aduane mam nti ochina na issue bi akoba aware na ntimi amaso se me na me hwe no ntimi kuno ntimi ma ne ntena ase no krese ntiase anka wo de hwe no na se senka oba no so tumi ye de ye na fam de na mutie de eware but issue na koba no wo contribution to the issue ni sen se na wo hwe ni ntino wo to no to only say bia ana ba na anye faithful to that level krana media ntia me de ha ewura mu ne se emma eye saa ne nya de because adwena nipa ne hwe wo ne se o hwe wa ware wo na obekọ
Abusia for the attending can we a life coach as I a marriage counselor Mami Reverend Dr. Esther Mankwa and in the Abusia yeah they see us any the aseda e the amamizo free drink any 5G meza wanum na no pay wo pia ye e boy ye chidomo a yetimi e de ensem no ebe somo na dwumade bia wo de nan me den yo bekoso awade je bekoso party ni dwapo akodo ebetimi ato dwente no wa ho na wo be serve wonum na mizo free drink any 5G meza wo de ma wonum a wo ho de bekon kan ama pomuden aye wonum chefanda ne da bibito wa watimi aba beboa atai wachi ye fast dama wonum obetimi afre wonum 0246 270 0246270221 Yero Santa Yabo Benedict and Semufo Penya Sedan Common News Crew ya one more Sompa 93.1 Kasafidie Dem and Sompa 98.9 Sunyane Kasia Dem and Sompa 90.7 Aya Enkranza Kasia Dem Yinano ye dia Seda Ebema Wonum aso for Beno ne nano pay ye beso mo midi do hinire mame ekwia yeboa esia ma mini abema
o say yawo abuaji oforiso ekwia ansa na bua mabeba no Sompa chede no so koso Sompa chede no
ene oba me menda krampa obi ti hwa o
ye ema kunafo no ye hwe wo mu bronya bere ene enyanka no ye ya sede se hwe wo mu enu ti udu abomfa wo de maye no empa ho
oda so de no nyamfa nyambo a o se mande na de beba
me de se me de afa mu no so
wa ma de o se last hour
me bompa yeguso ya me bompa yeguso
mo
etu obi odi bebia bompa yeguso
me afi bia me ne nkwala na ye bi afi bia last year ye bi and this year so no ye be ye bi obi kan ye insurance policy ema wo ene wabusia so ho ye kwa ye be nyina kofuru nyi ahode yan ya adom
ya opro bi emu atotoro no
that's it
2024 na bi nti ba ye Sompa chede ni bi ebebo
emfanya insurance policy ema ye ho ye ho ye social security ye ko pension ya kwa
oh yes
mo so ya kwa kwaje so ya de manya kopon ato
so because onyankopon ho de anyira wo
ebe da ira mo ti de man so wanye nto ma ye na mu ode ne ba ya ba beji ade
so the Bible say beba
mo e de ye beba no the interest ato ho no de amaye so fe enti ye hwa amanfo ani
abusiati wo de ne yesika afamu a Sompa chede ne yama ne 0598 559802 0598 559802 kitwa bi enso afa de beka ye de ho na enye mu ana ye ntimi enfama kunafo ene woni biefo e wo bronya yi mu abusia Ghana for pim dwumade bre na so ene de eche paw ene na MPP amanyoko na bato no presidential promise ne baso na ebetena sese dia na ba bi ye wone pania kura na beto fom a obehwe se waso bete na wo hu kola esitie nipa dodo ebekọ ase ene de ebesi wo nyina no yese wutie Sompa 93.1 wa bla libia bogana na yabo ama wo de Ghana for pim dwumade eba abesom